Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. In this video, I'm going to show you, look at me now, right? How to gain Instagram followers organically fast in 2021, okay? I'm going to show you live here for free on this YouTube video here. So if you pay attention, okay, smash the like button because the video is free. Sub to the channel if you like Wesley Virgin. And who don't like Wesley Virgin? Come on. Everybody likes a virgin, baby. Let's go. Let's go! All right, look. Here we go. Listen. In the beginning, when I created my first company that I made about $20 million online doing that, and I'll leave a link below if you want to know how to do that. Later, my Instagram kind of started to grow organically, okay? And it was a bunch of people that was following me because of the fitness stuff, weight loss. I had, overweight moms and women, young women, old women, even men that were overweight and they wanted to get skinny and pretty and sexy, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. So a lot of my followers came from that, but I did a transition, okay? I did a transition to helping people like you make money online. I made a transition to showing people how to manifest, how to use their mind, how to meditate, right? So here's my channel. Let me give you step one. Now this is a secret, this is a trick. I've never shared it with anyone, but a lot of you don't know how this works. So the thing is, a lot of you, and if you guys treat me nice, if you smash the like button and you leave a comment below and leave your Instagram channel, I'll do a review right now on this video. Even after, I would keep doing this if you comment your channel below, and maybe possibly I may follow you as well, and I would do a review of your channel. Is that cool? Okay, so check it out. First thing, you see where it says Wesley $1 Million Virgin, you see this area right here? Well, this area here, like last year, probably made me a $500,000, and I'm gonna tell you why. In the description area of your Instagram account, don't put stupid stuff, right? Don't be smart. Let me tell you why. Right now, if you go to the search, watch this. I never shared this before. If you go to the search and you type in $1 million, and everybody wants to be a millionaire, can I get a amen to that? We all want to make $1 million, right? But if you type in $1 million, as you can see here, I'm number 2. Okay? That was strategic. Okay? Now, actually, it's $1 billion virgin now, but whatever. But it's very strategic because I know people, even on Instagram, millennials like yourself, well, I know you're typing in $1 million and trying to make money. So honestly, I get a lot of followers just because of my name. So you guys thought I was just calling myself Wesley $1 Million Virgin because I was a narcissist or something, because I was cocky, which I am kind of cocky. But listen, it's very strategic. It brings in quality people who are going to follow me that I know who want to make millions of dollars. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you didn't know that, okay? So that means with your Instagram, well, hello, make sure that your name is something that is relatable to the search criteria of the people that's going to follow you. Such as if you're a chef, okay? If you're a chef, is somebody typing in chef here, okay? Well, obviously you need to put chef in your actual your bio description here. Listen, this is what Instagram does when you're not just tags, and I'm gonna explain hashtags as well. Listen, when you're creating an Instagram account, what Instagram does, it needs to know, how does it know based off the search criteria what to pull up, right? Where are these things coming from here? Okay, well, it's coming from here, okay, your bio. So don't put BS in your bio, right? The bio should have key term. If you're a chef, well, you should have the word chef and cooking in your bio. If you're a photographer, you should have whatever your name is, Jessica photographer, best photographer on the planet here. If you're a teacher, same thing. You need to have the words, keywords in the bio. You would I get like 500 new followers a day just from people searching $1 million, right? Because I know everybody wants to be $1 million virgin, right? I mean, who doesn't want to be $1 million virgin? I think everybody, right? So, see that? I'm number 2. Smash the like button and comment below and let me know if that makes sense. And put your Instagram below, because I'm going to choose a couple of people on this live right now on this video as you watch it, and I'm going to critique your channel. All right, so step number 2, and listen, I do a terrible job at this, by the way. I'm sorry, no, step number 2 is don't follow a lot of people. You see that? I follow 4 people. You see? 4. How many of you follow? 5,000. Why? Stop following a bunch of people. Let me show you who I follow. Look, I follow, let me see, Oprah, Deasia, which is my daughter, Jeff Bezos, because he's a billionaire, and Ariella, because she's the vice president of my company, right? She works for me, so she makes me money. Jeff Bezos, well, he's the richest man on the planet, so duh. Deasia, that's my boo, my baby. And Oprah, because that's a powerful black woman that's doing her thing. I love her. Smash the like button if you like Oprah. We all do, right? She's a billionaire. So, listen, stop following a lot of people. Does that make sense? Stop. Unfollow people, because, listen, if 1,000 people are following you and you have 3,000 people that you're following, when people go to your account, they be like, this guy's nothing. This girl's nothing. Who cares? You know, it's like, why is she following all these people and not that many people are following her? So when people see my account and they see I follow 4, it makes it more desirable to follow me. Because they're like, man, who is this guy? Man, he follows like 4 people and 1.2 million people following him. Does that make sense? If you're getting value, smash the like button. Let's get it, baby. Okay, so check it out. I'm just giving you the keys. Listen, this is free. I'm giving you, if you are enjoying yourself right now, I told you, you're not going to be bored, okay? I promise you. Not at all. All right. Step number 3. Make sure you have cool thumbnails. Ooh, look at this sexy girl. Ooh, look. The average person, I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't even do a good job. I just pulled that thumbnail from the freaking internet, right? That's Serena Williams. She's a very sexy black woman. Shout out to all my lovely, gorgeous, educated, intelligent, submissive black woman. Let's get it. So look, what thumbnails, write that down. Thumbnails are very powerful, okay? Very powerful. Some of us call that clickbait. That's kind of what it is, right? But I do mention Serena in the actual video here. But see, when people see this, men, of course, they're going to click it. Black girl, yellow back, they're going to click. Women, well, women like pretty women. So make sure your thumbnails are on point. Now, I could have made it better, okay? I could have put some content. I could have added some copy. But listen, if you want people to engage with your posts, my friends, you better make sure that thumbnail looks good. Now, I do a lot of video here, but a lot of you just do posts. So listen, if you want to do, let me see if I have a full, look at this guy. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. Boy, looking clean. So look at that. That's 4,500 likes here. 148. Okay. Now listen. That's a nice picture of myself. Okay. Watch this. I use my iPhone. Look, honestly, like my girl, she used her iPhone, took this picture of me. Right. It's not a professional. I didn't get nobody with a red camera. I just used this. With an iPhone, I took the picture and it got 4,500 likes. Now, listen, now what I want to do is I want to show you guys how to get more engagement, okay? Because the picture is good, but the picture is not enough to get massive engagement, okay? Because understand, when people go to your Instagram, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. Hold on. I mean, you got about 10 seconds before they say, you know what, I'm not going to follow this person. You know what, I'm not going to follow this girl. You know, I'm not seeing nothing. So the thing is, within 5 to 10 seconds, you got to communicate to the person that's following you, that you want to follow you, that you're giving some type of value. Write that down. You must communicate value. As you can see in all my videos on my Instagram account at Wesley Virgin, I'm communicating value. I'm helping people meditate. I'm helping people manifest. I'm helping people make money online. And these are all free videos. That's why people love me so much, because I give away so much free content. 90% of my content is free. The other 10%, you got to pay a little pay a little money for it, but it's not even that much. But I have hundreds. I just help a lot of people. Okay. All right. So make sure. Let's go. Just scroll down here. Look. Let me show you something. Hold on. Let's click on that picture here. Listen. Smash the like button if you're liking that picture right now. Dog, come on. Look. I've never wore a suit. I haven't worn a suit in like 10 years. And, you know, she convinced me to wear a suit. I mean, you know, whatever. But, man, I mean, I knew I would look good, but I didn't think I would look that. I was like, ooh, sheesh. Smash that like button, baby. Now, listen. So, check it out. Look at the caption here. Look, write this down below. Captions are powerful, and captions will create more engagement to your post. Because understand this about Instagram. You got to understand this. Instagram is not a play tool. Instagram is not something that you post. Instagram is a business. Let me say it again. Instagram is a business. That means your Instagram account should be a business. Why? Because you're putting effort. You're posting things. You're using filters. You're looking for captions here. Well, treat it like a business and they'll pay you that way. I get paid a ton of money with my Instagram. And I'm not even that serious with Instagram, honestly, until the last couple of months, right? Got a little serious, right? Because like I said, I make money doing other stuff on the internet, okay? Just so many ways to make money. But listen, Instagram is where everybody is, right? Not TikTok, Instagram. This is where people go just to look at people and get inspired by people. This is where they like people. This is where they get aroused to see people. They in people DMs, whatever, right? It's like the new way of communicating, which is social media here, okay? So, look this. Wesley $1 Million Virgin, and thank you guys for tagging a couple of people below. Appreciate that. And sharing this video now. You must consistently project an image of success until you believe right now you are successful, King West. All right, so that's important. People are like, oh, that was a great quote right there, right? Because you want people to engage. Why? Well, you'll show up on the Explore page, okay? If you want to show up on the Explore page like all the time, all you need to do is engage your audience. Now, I could have made this better. I could have said, comment below if you want $100, right? I could have said that. Comment below if you want $100, or comment below if you can feel that quote. Listen, questions are powerful, okay? Because sometimes when you post, even though you got a bunch of followers, if you're not writing some type of cajoling or inspirational or something that's going to help people content, then people won't engage. So sometimes what I do, I use questions. I question my audience here, okay? Then they start to comment. But as you can see here, because I was so sharp here, looking so amazing, and I left a great quote here, which is absolutely true. And I'm King West, and make sure I put a couple of hashtags here because that's what I have on. I got my AP watch on. I got my Christian Dior, and I got my Isaiah suit, $4,000 suit here, right? Now listen, okay? To engage, you want to make sure you use a question, okay? Does that make sense? Use a question. Questions are powerful on quotes. I do it all the time. Write this down, giveaways. See, look at that. That's a nice little thumbnail. And listen, I don't put a lot of effort on thumbnails, which I should. But as you can see here, you got this lovely lady. She's massaging my neck here. You might say, man, what is she doing? Is she about to do something sexual to Mr. Virgin? Not at all. But it's going to cause you to watch the video. 15,000 views here, 99 comments here. So that's pretty good engagement, right? You see that right there? Because of the thumbnail. And I could have made that thumbnail better. Now look at this. It got more. Look at that. This here got more than this last post here. So look at that. Let's see why. Well, look at that. I mean, I'm still looking amazing, right? So, I mean, we know that, but look at that. It says, I am doubtlessly a king because I know how to rule myself, King West. Look at that. Epic, clean. Let's go. See all these comments here? Well, because the thing is, the quote is very inspirational. Then I tag Billionaire Boys Club here, and I'm explaining tagging why that's important. And like I said before, put your Instagram below, and I'll do another video, and I'll do the video right now, and I'm gonna critique your account, okay? Just put your thing below. So, listen, hashtags are very popular, but you need to do your research. Do your research on hashtags, on what hashtags are working the best here, right? So if I type in And it's so easy. You just want to see how many people are actually tagging something here. See that right here? Billionaire, 9,000 posts, people, right? So that may be something that you want to use as a tag as well. Or you want to maybe use something with less competition here, like millennials, okay? How do you spell millennials, guys? As you can see, I didn't go to college, right? But I'm still rich. Isn't that crazy? Didn't go to college, but I'm still rich. Millennials, well, I'm spelling it wrong, but you get the point, right? So make sure you do your research on the hashtags. It's very important. Do your research. Find out what people are searching for. They have so many tools, and maybe I'll leave a tool in the comments, in the description below to give you some value here. So that's pretty much it. Oh, giveaways. So I every once in a while, I do these Cash App giveaways. You see this? It's a Cash App giveaway, okay? Cash App giveaways do very well. You can give away 10 bucks, 5 bucks, 20 bucks. Well, people need money. And what you do is you put tag 3 people if you want some free money. Listen, this always go to an Explore page, and I get about 2,000 to 5,000 new subscribers every time. Does that make sense? I get to 2,000 to 5,000 new subscribers because it's on an Explore page, and everybody likes free money. Like, how many of you like free money? How many of you want some free money right now? Like and share and tag 3 people below. Let me know if you want free money. Like, everybody wants free money. That's just how it is. Does that make sense? Okay? So do it. Just do it. It could be $5. It don't matter. If it's free money, it could be a goddamn $1. Just do it. Try it. Try it tonight. Try it today on your Instagram page. You're giving away 10 bucks. Just say, hey, tag 3 people if you want some free money. And you want them to tag because you want other people, if they tag 3 people, then they tag 3, and people just keep tagging. And that's free people that are following you. And what you could do is tag 3 people and follow me, right? So you get followers based off $5. So listen, stop spending money on, like, stop buying followers. That's stupid. Don't do that. I did that one time. It's dumb. Never buy followers. It's stupid, okay? First of all, Instagram is going to, like, shadow ban your account, and they may shut you down. Be careful with that. And those are fake people. Come on now. You want real people so you can monetize them. I monetize people that follow me on Instagram because they love me. I'm transparent. I'm a little crazy, but I'm just the type of man that just give it to people direct and clean, and they make money. Does that make sense? Okay? That's why people follow me, because I'm no bullshit, and people make money with me. They actually take the time and put in the effort. Okay. That's it. Let me give some Instagram channels here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop this video right here. If you want me to critique your channel, go to Wesley Virgin. Hit me up in the DM and I'll critique it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut this video down and I'm going to go live in about 1 minute and I'm going to do a critique on your channels. Listen, don't be upset. Don't get disturbed. Don't get emotional. It's just real life. And I'm just going to help you. Listen, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Turn on the notifications there, sub to the channel, and let me know in the comments how much you love and how much you adore Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go. I'll be back soon, guys. Let's go. Oh, I left a link below if you want me to teach you how to start an internet company, make $10,000 in the next 45 days. Let's go. Click the link. Leg out.